All right, it's cam swap time. So, about to get started on this cam swap. It's going to be lots of parts. Let me show you guys. All right, so we got the Richard Holdener Truck Plus cam, the best wrong cam, the 219 cam. Matching springs, new seals, push rods, and of course I got the tuner for it as well. While we're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and install the Trailblazer SS intake. Got the new gaskets, swap over the injectors, do all that, new seal kit, and map sensor to match that bad boy right there. So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing prepped. I'm going to pop the front wheels off, and time to get started. Moving right along here, so I got the front cover off. About to pull the rockers, push rods. Got everything off. Got the plugs out. Had to make a little relief there to get that sucker out. But overall, I think I'm overdue for an oil change. It's only got like 1,500 miles on it or so, but 1,500 braking miles. So yeah, gotta get that right. Anyway. Next is aligning up my my timing cover mark, or my timing mark, with the top dead center, so I can go ahead and do the cam swap. But for now, need to get these rockers off, so that's next. Alright, so as you can see, I got TDC right here. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Down at the bottom, and give you a better angle. But right about there. So all right, guys. So we get rockers pulled, push rods pulled, everything pulled, minus the chain and the actual cam itself. So now I'm just going to spin it around a few times. Or actually, maybe I'll do that after I do that. Pull the chain, I should say. Yeah, let's do that. That's fine. Alright, but here we go. Let's do this. So that's the stock one. Came out. Now it's just time to stab the good one and keep it moving. Let's do it. Here's that big old cam. Yeah, buddy. All right, time to get this sucker stabbed up in there. Let's do it. So She's cam, dog. Now it's just time to put her back together. So we'll just do that in hyperlapse. And man, just so y'all know, it ain't that hard. It just takes a little bit of time and effort, but still got to do the springs and all that. So before I will do anything else, I'll go ahead and put the cam back on, or the cam sprocket, the retaining plate, the chain, front cover, do all that. Then I'm going to do the springs and install the lifters, not the lifters, the push rods, and torque everything down. Go from there, but hell yeah, boy. Alright, so got her all put back together. Let's take it out, slap the coils on. But before I do that, man, I gotta admit, I don't want to see this shiny intake go away. I love the way it looks, but I know it's costing power, and it's like a big ass heat sink. So that's that. Probably gonna do it anyway, but yeah, just a little bit last minute look how she looks with it. I don't know. I'm torn. I am so torn. We'll see. We'll see what happens here in a few minutes. And as you can see, I have not swapped that intake yet. That's okay. I didn't want to throw too many things at it at the same time in case something went wrong. You know, troubleshooting can be a lot once you change a lot of parts all at the same time, and trying to find out where your problem came from. So with that being said, I went ahead and picked my poison just to do the cam for now. Next I got to tune it. So I'm waiting for the new tune to come from the RHP team. And after that, once it's running nice and smooth, I'll swap in the Trailblazer SS intake. They'll update my tune, and then we'll go from there. But anyway, I appreciate y'all for joining me and checking out the cam swap. Came out badass. I love the way it sounds. But anyway, thanks for joining. Peace.